up, guys? All right, so today I got something different, something new for you guys. I'm going on a group ride. Never been on a group ride before, and so I'm going out to do that. I've never met any of these guys before. I don't know what their plan is, what we're going to be riding, but it should be fun. It should be good. So I'm definitely excited. I don't know if I should park here in the dirt.
This is my only bike. How do you like so the chains off-road? Insane.
Yeah, this is my first time ever
I know.
on these. This whole like SM
My
thing.
arms are already dead, dude. Like,
you just gotta hold it
pulling
open
up on the handlebars.
Ridiculous.
The last time we were out here, I was on the DRZ 400, the kicker model, and my handguard fell off. I forgot about it.
Oh, you stabbed
Here? Well, no, we forgot about it. Son of a bitch, look at that.
Well, I think you have to
Dude is ridiculous. Oh my god.
You're fine here.
God dang. Alright, so right now I think we're going to take off. We're going to head up Mount, I think they said it's Mount Baldy, over that way. So sick, dude. God, I wish I could do that. I need to practice more. That's so crazy to me. Oh my god. Killers! Oh shit! Oh, all the dust. Oh, this is cool. I didn't, when I came up here, I took a different trail, so I haven't been through all this before. The dude with SM wheels is kicking my ass up this hill. Oh, neutral. That's funny. Dude's got frickin' SM tires and he's whipping my ass up that hill. Both of them.
bug on me?
Oh, it's a cricket.
It's a grasshopper.
Or a grasshopper.
Still there.
He's still.
Well, then he'll live there. That's his new home. I can't see him with my helmet face.
What a nut. Hell no. All right, well, everyone made it. So sick.
On Snapchat, we handle shit with some gas, man. Y'all niggas know I stay. You can pull at the day and get more fucking clap, fam. Shoot at them pussies like Deathstroke. Y'all just some broken and dead hoes. Chopper and lies like a death note. Chopper and lies like a death note. Fuck all that dissing on Snapchat. We handle shit with some gas, man. Y'all niggas know I stay. You can pull at the day and get more fucking clap, fam. Shoot at them pussies like Deathstroke. Y'all just some broken and dead hoes. Chopper and lies like a death note.
So ridiculous.
I know, right?
Dude.